What's up guys, Sarah back and today I'm going to be playing Tattletail. This is part 2, we're on night 3 right now. And I need to investigate the grinding noise right now. So I grab my flashlight and the bathroom's now open, popping off the bathroom. I'll show you guys if I get the kaleidoscope ending, then I'm probably gonna play it. It's like the washing machine broke or something. But yeah, I'm gonna try to play the kaleidoscope ending. I might not. Still undecided. Because like I'm on a weekend right now, so I have time to do stuff. And I wanna play video games, so it's not like I'm out of time for it. Oh no, it's Mama. No. Ketchup. I actually love ketchup. My brother thinks otherwise, though. He won't touch himself. Oh, why's your head spinning around?
The children thought that Mama would never find them as long as she couldn't see them. Turn the page. But Mama could still hear the children. The pitter-patter of their little feet led Mama right to them. Turn the page. Then Mama found the children, every last one, and put them right back to bed.
Tattletail's like, I love Tattletail. Tattletail's just like always so happy. Tattletail, what did you do? What did you do?
Me love playtime with you. Show me Mama.
Oh my god, that's a take on Reese's Puffs. There's a ketchup. Like, there's so many like references here.
Me love playtime with you.
I'm sorry, Tattletail. I'm being made to. I guess if you love the murderer, then I guess.
Tattletail, that's me.
Do you want me to bring you to her or not? Just don't get me in trouble for the rest of the game, and I'll bring you to her. Wait, no, that's the wrong room.
Playtime for these big on. Where's Mama? He's tired. Tired.
Clean up Tattletail's mess. You have to shake your flashlight. Why can't you just leave it on? Mom makes grinding noise when she's nearby. If you hear it, stay quiet. I guess I gotta be quiet. I'm gonna look down. By the way, if she gets me, then there is a jump scare. And it always gets me. Otherwise, it moves me. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. It's getting louder. It's getting louder. baby's going on. Okay, good, she's gone. Wait, I just realized something that I didn't realize before. How the heck does Tattletail, a children's toy, make that mess and get out of the box themselves? Chase Before Christmas. Actually, almost already done. Surprising. Yo, check on how much time I've been recording for. 6 minutes. Okay. I guess I'm gonna start right before. Investigate the chattering noise coming from outside. Okay, I can do that. Oh my god, in the background I can hear Tattletail going da 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 da. So I was told that, like, I saw this, like, post on Steam. So apparently if you jump, like, you can jump on, like, some sort of dog house that's somewhere out here. Like, apparently there's a dog house over here. You can jump on it to get onto the roof, and then you just finish the game. You don't need to worry about anything. I don't see no dog house. Here's Tattletail. Okay, grab Tattletail.
Tattletail, that's me. Let's play a game.
I didn't see touch the friend to start.
No peeking.
Tattletail, don't. Tattletail, please.
Ah!
Tattletail!
Ah!
Shut up, Tattletail. You're gonna get killed by Mama.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Yo, why can't we just kick Mama in the face instead? I don't get that.
Ah!
Tattletail, shut up, I hear her. She's really close.
Ah!
Tattletail, don't laugh just because you got away with it. Tattletail's friend is hiding upstairs. Find him. There ain't no upstairs here. How is this an upstairs? Oh wait, maybe they mean like from the basement it's upstairs. Oh, found it. Christmas tree.
He's hiding.
I know you're hiding.
You found me.
I didn't see touch different stuff again. Okay, I need a
Give me a
yeah, I need to
treat.
feed Tattletail because I saw the bar going down.
Give me a treat. Give me a treat.
Wait, why am I running? Should I get Tattletail? No, I'll wait till I reach him.
No peeking.
1 minute. 1 minute? Okay, I'm gonna sit here in the corner. If I get attacked, Tattletail, shut up. Shut up, Tattletail. Tattletail, shut it. I know you're scared, but I'm not screaming. Tattletail, I hear getting close. Shut the heck up. Just your warning. Tattletail, cut it. Are you eating slow? Oh, battery crap. Died. See you next video.
No peeking.
Like, subscribe, comment, see you next video. Bye, guys.